Hi there, my name is John Wing.
And I'm Karen Wing.
We've been coming to Dr. Tron for about 2 years now. We met him at St. John the Beloved Church at a wellness class that he put on. And we were kind of skeptical, reluctant to go to it to start with, more so me than my wife Karen. Just didn't believe in chiropractic. Heard all the stories and people's opinions of them in the past, and was very reluctant to come. But after praying about it and talking about it with Meg here at the clinic, we decided to go ahead and try it. And it's been a wonderful experience for both of us. We've had great success here. A little bit about what my symptoms were. I had a couple, 2.5 years ago, I had a ruptured disc in my neck and went to a surgeon and had 2 discs fused. And about a year or so after that, half a year, somewhere in there, I started having a lot of pain in my neck, discomfort. And I was reluctant to go back to the surgeon to have more work done or surgery, so I guess I decided this is the route to go. Like I said, we went to the wellness class and came here and got some treatment. And the first appointment we had for Dr. Tron, he did an adjustment to my neck, found out I had subluxation there and did an adjustment, and within 1 day the pain started to fade, and within a couple days it was gone. And that really turned my opinion around then of chiropractic, because I had been living with this pain for 6 months. I was running out of options, just didn't know which way to go. So great success story there. Haven't had any more pain. About 3 months after I had that adjustment, I had some numbness in my right hand, and saw that I was a little bit out of adjustment, so we did another adjustment, and that numbness went away. And ever since then, no problems at all. I'm very, very pleased with the work and the success that I've had here with Dr. Tron. And my wife Karen has had even more success.
With me, like my husband said, we started 2 years ago this past October, and whenever we came in to see Dr. Tron, I had been going through back injections about every 2 months and been doing it for several years, having to take pretty duty painkillers, muscle relaxers, lidoderm patches, heating pads, ice, just anything to try to get away from the pain. And I was like my husband, I thought, you hear chiropractor and you're like, forget it. But whenever you talk about a specific chiropractor, something that I didn't know anything about, so we came to learn about it, and it all made sense. It's very logical of how the body works. It gives the body a chance to heal itself with Dr. Tron's help. I now do not take painkillers. I don't have the lidoderm patches. I don't sit on a heating pad. We just got back from Disney World with all our children and grandchildren. I was able to ride all the rides, have a great time. Never had any issues, not a twinge or anything. So basically I got my life back. And I thought having the back injections gave me my life back, and it wasn't even close. And before, I couldn't even play with my grandchildren or pick them up or squat down without having back issues. So basically, within probably 6 months, I had a total turnaround. And of course it didn't happen overnight, and so I expected it to be years and years before it got any better, and it didn't. And it's still doing great, and I don't have to go for back injections. I don't have to take painkillers. I'm like a normal person anymore, and there are several back problems. My mother has had 2 full back surgeries. It runs in our family, and that's why I came, hoping not to have to go through something like that. At this point, I'm on the right track, and I really think Dr. Tron has done a fabulous job, and I'm going to keep coming.
Yeah, he's an excellent doctor, very personable staff that's all here. They make you feel very welcome, but the results speak for themselves. I mean, I would always tell my wife that, you know, someday I'll probably have to end up pushing you around in a wheelchair, because it was degrading. Her back problems were, the shots were getting to the point where we're almost in there every month, and I knew she wouldn't be able to sustain that. So, but when we started here and started seeing the slow results with Karen, but then we started spacing the time out between the back injections, where it'd be, you know, 3 months, then 4 months, then 6 months, and every time we would come in and talk to that about the distance between them, and it was like a celebration in the office that as bad, as grim as it looked for Karen, that she literally has her life back. She's doing things that she hasn't been able to do for years and years. And
I truly believe that God brought Dr. Tron into our lives, because, as John said, we were very skeptical about it. I mean, when you start talking about someone's spine and their livelihood, it's hard to take a leap of faith. So we did a lot of praying about it, and we asked Dr. Tron several questions. We talked to other people. Dr. Tron gave my husband reading material that we could and, you know, go into deeper research to find out more about it. And, you know, it's all been a very, very positive experience, and I can't thank him enough. And his staff and his office are just great people to be with.
we thank God every day for putting Dr. Tron and his office and staff in our pathway, even though I felt like I kind of dodged it, tried to dodge it a few times, but God just coming back and says, if you trust me, He will take care of you. And He took care of both of us, and we're just so thankful to God and for Dr. Tron and his staff for really making life great for us again. So thank you very much, and we certainly, if you have a chance or you need to see a specific chiropractor, Dr. Tron is the one that he will take care of you. Thank you.
Thanks.